Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to extract all list of formulas from here to here. And this is totally dynamic. See, if I will update any formula here, let's say I am taking any formula, let's say count and select your range, it will automatically update with the corresponding cell name. So let's begin. How we will deal with this? Simply we will start with the address function. Now what address does? Basically address tells you the location of that cell. If I'm talking about A3, so it will tell you the A3, not the value 100. So what I need to do, I need to enter the row number. For a row number, the row number would be 3 in this case, but I can find out that row number by using row function. So row tells you the row number. So if I will select this, even I'm selecting whole range, so it will tell the row number of every cell. Just close the parentheses, comma. Now for column number, I am going to use column function, column. Now the reference would be the same. This time it will tell you the column number. So comma, and since I want to take the relative, so I'm taking 4 in it and close the parentheses and enter. You will see all the corresponding range from here to here are appearing. Now what I am trying to do, I am going to extract the formulas. So for whenever you want to find out any formula, here we have a function in Excel that is called formula text. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to concatenate this formula with the formula text and formula text. Here it is. Now the reference part is again the same. I am making one cell report, so that's why I'm linking whole cell here. Now close the parentheses and enter, and you will see all formula has appeared. Now what I need to do, I need to convert this whole data into a single column. So whenever we are trying to convert anything into a single column, then two column can help us. Two column array would be the whole thing. Now if you want to ignore errors, you can simply type 2 and it has ability to ignore the errors. So close the parentheses and enter. Now see, the list has come. Now if you will change anything, let's say I'm typing average function here, and you will see the list has expanded. So keep enjoying and keep learning. See you in the next video.